Hey guys, welcome to Butte Mountain Homestead. I'm gonna go ahead and try to film a video. As you can see, the sun has set. Right at this second where I'm standing, the little munching monsters aren't too bad, although as I speak there's one right there. I did notice the other day when I was in the greenhouse that they are eating my onions. I was storing them in there until I could do something with them, but I see that they've been helping themselves. I can't feed those to the chickens, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the dried roots. They're long, way past overdue, and cut them off to about right there. And then I'm going to store them in the house. So I'm going to see what the damage is. I'm going to probably set you up on time lapse. I have a whole nother, well, I have that, I have this, and then I have one more in the greenhouse, and then I have the garlic. So this will just be about seeing what I have left from the onions and the garlic, and see what I can put in storage in the bedroom. So let me get you set up and we'll get going. Now the best way to probably do this would probably be in indirect sunlight, all that good stuff. I don't have any areas like that, so that's why the garlic has been outside. These have been in the greenhouse, some have been on the porch because I was going to take those in, and then life happened. So I'm just going to see what's left, and yeah, I mean, some people could probably try to braid these. I'm not. I'm going to actually just use my my clippers, my yard pruners, and just do that, and like I said, see what we have left. Okay guys, that's what I ended up with. Sorry I had to take a couple breaks. Gene was flying the drone. He went to check to see where the calves were. He hadn't seen them sometimes during the day. So he went to see where they were, and they were out by the pond. So anyways, pretty cool he has that, but I wanted to see what he was doing. But that's what we have left. I did drop a couple of little guys in there, and I'm not fishing them out. But that's what we have left. That's what I will use until they're gone. And then I have still quite a bit in the freezer. There's like maybe 2 little white ones left. I didn't have that many anyways. So when I make salsa, I will try to get some onions from either a local farmer or from the farmer's market before I get them from the store to make salsa, but I'll try those first. But anyways, yeah, that's what we have. I mean, here's my hand, so I mean, you guys saw the basket, but it's getting dark. I know it doesn't show it really on camera, but I'm also getting eaten by mosquitoes. So in the morning I will do the same thing to the garlic, which is just knock the roots off. This one's actually soft, so I'm going to toss it. So never mind on that one. I probably shouldn't have left them outside in the sun, but I'm just going to knock the roots off, brush the dust off. Oh, yep, see, this one's soft too. I probably lost most of them. Yep, I can push my finger, so never mind. So, actually, I think most of them are going to be that way. Darn. Well, I will salvage what I can. That's a bummer. And that's my fault too. This one's not bad. So what I'll do is I'll just knock all the dust off, dirt off, the roots. I'll cut them down to there. And then these, I might actually take the time to peel them. I don't know. I might either dehydrate these for garlic powder, or I might just put them on a sheet pan and put them in the freezer and freeze them individually, and then I'll put them in a bag and then defrost them and use them as necessary. So, but I will pick this up in the morning and I'll show you guys then. So, see you in the morning. So I didn't make it outside this morning to do the garlic, but I will show it tonight and then finish up this video. But it was time to get some green beans going in the canner. So I have 9 pint jars. I just have a ½ teaspoon of Redmond's real salt in the bottom of each. And then I just cleaned the green beans, and then I'm cutting them into about 2-inch pieces. If they're thin little guys, then they go in whole. So we're not fancy about them having to be the same length, but anyways, and then I will get them in the pressure canner. I had the water bath canner out earlier because I did blueberry syrup. So today was a busy day as far as canning goes. But yeah, tonight I will take you out and do the garlic. Hopefully there's some left, and then get this video wrapped up. So not too bad of a mood today of the grasshoppers. So I'm just gonna kind of stop talking about them. My buddleias are out in the cottage garden, are just, they're down to sticks also. So anyways, that's just how it goes. So at least I'm doing this, and we're still blessed to be able to have green beans growing. They haven't eaten the green beans, so we can get those canned up and get them on the pantry shelves. And then I'm planning on whatever's left over, we will have that for supper, or with our supper I should say, with our onions, bacon left over from a hog we had processed, I think it was 2 years ago, or it's coming up on 2 years, and I'm trying to get through the rest of that hog. I didn't care for the bacon. It tasted too much like ham slices to me, but I'm using it anyways, so I will use it with our supper tonight. And then our baked potatoes, so it'll be probably our beef, our garden veggies, and our garden potatoes. Yeah, and then if it's not beef, it'll be locally sourced chicken. So farm fresh supper tonight. So stay tuned for all that. Okay guys, there's 8 pints of green beans. Just came out of the canner. I had a little bit of a delay because I had to check the seal on the lid, so I had to shut it down and let it cool down for a minute, and then take the lid off and make sure the inner seal was secure, and then everything worked out fine. So that's 8 pints for the pantry shelves. So this evening, there's one. So tonight I will go back out and show you on the garlic and get this video wrapped up. So see you in a bit. I am trying something new. My chickens are outside of their chicken coop for the first time in their lives. They don't know what to do. I have both gates closed and I'm staying out here, so I'm hoping they go where I want them to and don't get in there and eat anything, because there's grasshoppers in there, but they're not eating anything really. So we'll see. We'll see how much damage they cause. But if they want to get out here and eat grasshoppers, I'll let them. So I'm keeping Lewis away. I told Jean that I'm out here doing this, and that I'm keeping the gates closed for him to be mindful if he comes out here. So what do you think, sisters, huh? Oh, sis, you're a haggard. Man, she's been molting forever. Oh, your other 2 sisters are being fraidy cats, huh? Are they being chickens? Haha. No, you don't get in that bed. Come on. Okay, now I'm going to film the garlic in just a second here. Okay, it's still kind of warm out here, and the sun's still shining pretty good, but that's okay. I'll be able to go through those garlics pretty quick and then kind of get this wrapped up. But you can see I picked some of the pepperoncinis that the grasshoppers are thinking they're going to get to enjoy. Off of there, get off of there, get off of there. Somebody wants to come after me for killing a grasshopper, come visit my house. You can take all of them home. I'm not even going to be nice about it. You want to come deal with grasshoppers, help yourself. Anyways, sorry, I'm just over it. So, and I don't want anyone saying don't kill the grasshoppers because they're whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and see what garlic I can save. And this was not a good harvest of garlic anyways. I did realize when I was watching one of the earlier parts that I recorded yesterday is that I had said that I would maybe peel it or put it in the freezer, or take out the cloves and then put it in the freezer. That's after I peel them and then put them on a cookie sheet, put them in the freezer to freeze them while they are flat, and then put them in a bag. So kind of like you do fruit. So I just wanted to get on there and clarify that. So yeah, these were from our garlic last year, and they weren't very good as far as growing. So I don't know if it was too cold or too wet or whatever the case may be. This year I'll get seed garlic, and then we'll see if we have better yields. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on time lapse and see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, it is like slim pickings. So I'm just going to probably take all of those apart, peel them, and then I'm going to dehydrate them and turn them into garlic powder. I might film that on another video, but yeah, I might save some of these bigger ones, but I already have probably like 3 or 4 cloves of garlic in the kitchen, and some that I had bought like jarred stuff during the winter time that I still have some left. So I may just do all that, put it on the dehydrator, and at least get a jar of garlic powder out of it. So that's pretty discouraging. I think we planted like, oh gosh, 50 cloves, I want to say. So I'm not saving any of those for seeds. I will buy all new garlic seed this year. So anyways, 2 of the chickens are still out. They're over here. I don't know where their sisters are. Let's go see. One, I think, went back in. I do need to do some watering. The beds they're getting a little. We're supposed to have 112 next Saturday. Yeah, we're supposed to have 112 degrees next Saturday. And it looks like I might have tomato worm poop right there on that one tomato. Right there, that black spot. So I'm going to inspect that tomato plant, because now there's no marigolds protecting them from the tomato worms. So that is grasshopper poop, because it's like flaky. Caterpillar poop is like an actual, looks like a little black chunk. So I might just actually take the marigolds out. But we have tomatoes blushing. I have a tomato that's going to be ready right down there pretty soon. I'm kind of leaving the marigolds because at least it's giving them something to eat. I did notice one tomato over there that they've started to eat on, but yeah, there's... Anyways, I'm going to quit talking about the grasshoppers. You guys know, you see them. So I'm going to go see where some more chickens are. There's 2. Those are the 2 that have been out. Hope they're not like institutionalized where they feel like they are. Let's see. Oh, there's one. 1, 2, 3. Four. What you doing, sisters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's your other sister? Is she hiding? No? Okay, where is she? Are you in there? Okay, 1. Huh. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there they all are. Come on, you guys can come out. Come on. Alright, guys. going to wrap this video up. Then hopefully I will have new material as it happens. But, yep. I'm not going to do our tour. It's too disheartening. Oh, I will show you from here. The buddleia. Look at those buddleia. They have some new growth at the bottom. That's about it. They're not touching the red bud for some reason. That's fine. It's kind of weird what they go after and what they don't. Oh, they like the hollyhocks. So, oh, I think that's a liriop. That they kind of like the leafy stuff. So irises, the buddleia, the liriop, the lamb's ear, one salvia they've touched, one they haven't, my zinnias, the hydrangea they haven't touched, the Texas Ranger plant they haven't touched. So lavender over there they haven't touched. I was going to show you the one tomato that they've started to eat on. Let's see. Yep, that's a marigold plant. Like I said, I'm just going to leave them. Just giving them something to eat. Where's that one tomato that they started to eat? Oh, there it is. Right there. So, I'm going to leave it. Maybe they'll just want to munch on one. They are eating on my basil, but I have plenty, so there's nothing I can do about it. So, I will just harvest what I can. What they leave me, I will harvest. I'm hoping to get enough Amish paste tomatoes to hopefully do one batch of salsa. That'd be awesome. But with the temperatures we're going to have this week, it's going to be over 103 up to 112 all this week. Next weekend's supposed to be 112, 113. That's Fahrenheit. I don't know what the Celsius conversion is. So if you want to know what it is, I think I have a few subscribers that live over where they're Celsius. I know for sure a couple in England. So if you want to know, I'll look it up. Just send me a message on this video or a comment and I will look it up for you. So I'm going to go kind of watch the chickens and enjoy an adult beverage. Oh, I need to yank that up. But, alright guys. So, hope you enjoyed it. It's real life. So, hopefully pretty soon we have something nice to show you. But, I mean, this is nice, but there is some destruction in there. But there's still some niceness. I mean, there's food on the vines. I just harvested food. You know, I just put up food, the green beans, some picking pepperoncinis and peppers. So there's still stuff here. I just have to see the beauty through the destruction. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you on the next one. So remember to always be kind. Be kind to me, especially in the comments. I don't like unkind people in the comments, and I'll usually give like one chance and then that's it. Maybe 2 chances depending on what it is, and if not, then I don't go for that business. So I'm just a homesteading gal, farm wife, just trying to garden and decorate and kind of show people what to do. So if you don't like that type of thing, then I'm not forcing you to be here. So there's that. So again, remember to always be kind and do what makes you happy. Bye guys. Thanks.